Have you ever wondered if your government customer can place an order directly on GSAadvantage.gov at a price lower than your GSA awarded price? The answer is yes, they can, and let's take a look at how. To do that, we're going to use the book Monster Truck Mania in honor of my two little boys who are obsessed with monster trucks. They probably have a toy of every single monster truck that's ever crushed a car in the arena. So in order to do this, we see our awarded price here is $7.49. Your buyer's going to hit add to cart, and for this purpose they're going to order 500 units of this book, because really, who doesn't need 500 copies of Monster Truck Mania? First thing they're going to do is click right here, reduce price, and let's just say you offer them a price of $5 a unit. Now it's going to ask them for an authorization code, and I have a couple pre-populated ones in here, so let's use this one, quote 123456, and we'll hit submit. And then they're going to change the quantity to say 500. Come on over here to update cart. And now your favorite customer is going to be the proud new owner of $2,500 worth of Monster Truck Mania to do, well, not really sure what they're going to do with that, but they're going to learn a lot about monster trucks. They're going to hit checkout, you're going to get the order, and it's going to be a happy day for everyone. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.